Hello, 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 hello. Good morning. It's good morning, guys, no? After 3 days, 2 days from Tuesday and Wednesday. Wala biyay to, no? So, it's Thursday. Balik ka biyay, guys. It's holiday, gali, no? Oh, kung tayo, may ganang biyay ta. Pero, sige lang, guys, ha? Kahit lang basi kung kaloy anta. So ari ko gali subong, guys, no, sa Victorias. Naka first booking kita, no, from downtown pakadto diri sa Victorias, no. So time check, guys. Check. It's 10:39, no. Na drop to ring pasayro ta, no, diri lang sa may bagong dalan. So ari kita subong, guys, sa Victorias City. Welcome to Victorias. So mabalik ka, guys. Mapit ka sa Silay Airport, guys, ha. Basta baka tsamba naman ito, guys. So let's go. Hello, guys, no. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So tayo lang rides na, no. Subukan adlaw kay nadlaw naman ta biyahe. Pero kaloyan sa income okay, ah. Hari, guys, check ta. Alright, naka 11 jobs ta, no. So 2,766 ang aton nga total earnings. So bisan jud tayo lang ang aton booking, pero ang earnings ta do medyo ako dako man, ah. So thank you, good night and goodbye.